I'm very privileged to have reached the position that I have in business. And I look back and I can see a certain pattern that has helped me to get there. At a very young age, I was very fortunate to be mentored by two great people that were both successful, and maybe they saw something in me, I don't know what. But they helped me grow in confidence and think bigger about myself and my potential. I've always worked hard, but it's always great to have people around you that you trust and that you can learn from to help you to grow even faster. Whatever you learn, the most important thing is how to learn, and the fact that you need to keep growing because the world changes, and hopefully you can be a part of that change process. The first thing that strikes me when I've come back for the first time over the past few years is the scale and ambition of the university. When I studied here, it was just for 18 months because I started studying elsewhere, a different course. So I finished off my studies here, and it was the old building, which is now, I think, the law faculty. And when I look at the expansion and the growth, it's really inspiring. And I'm really proud to have had a small part of my time within this institution.